Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Unitek charging station. That's of course a very versatile charging station with a lot of power, nice divider, supports everything from tablets, phone, smartwatches, even earbuds. But here I think the main focus is on the design. It's a very beautiful, I think the most beautiful charging station which I've ever seen by far. So this could be also a really nice gift for somebody or works perfectly for the office. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how it works in real life. And so here's the box with everything. So let's open and see. That's the beautiful base, and we can see it is really beautiful designed. Absolutely awesome. Comes also with these 4 soft rubber feet, so it has really safe stand. And so you can see everything is nicely described. On the left side we have 3 times USB-A standard output. Every one of them has 5 volts with 2.4 amps, makes 12 watts. And here on the right side we have 3 times USB-C, which is of course the future, but we still have a lot of devices with USB-A, so it makes absolutely sense. So we have both of them, and USB-C usually higher power. We have here 20 watts and another 20 watts and 45 watts with PD. And here we have all the accessories, the power supply and the dividers and the watch holder. Everything is nicely protected, so you don't have to be worried that something arrived scratched or so. And so we have some higher dividers. We just push them here inside, very easy to do. Maybe here on the right side for some tablets or other larger devices. Then let's add some smaller ones, maybe for mobile phones, but definitely super easy to do, super flexible. And if you think you need to optimize that, you can always remove them and move them to other areas. And so I have added now also the watch holder. I've added this earbuds holder. These are not Apple earbuds, but it looks like they are still fitting nicely here inside. Everything is connected. So let's add the power supply here. Let's see what happens. You can see one after each other is turning on and starts to charge fully automatically. Really nice. So the power is really nicely provided to all these devices. All of them are charging, and I could even add 2 more. And so let's also check here for protocol support. You can see it is working definitely with 2.4 amps maximum. Here 5 volts, but no quick charge or so. And so let's do same test here with one of the 2 PD outputs here on the left side, which are providing 20 watts, and we get definitely confirmation here. And also we see a lot of protocol support for quick charge, 2.0, 3.0, Samsung UI, Apple, and so on and so on. And same thing here, we see high power output on the right side, PD. We can see all these quick charge compatibilities and much higher power output. We see even 63 watts, but that's just the protocol. So let's see in real life how much power we can pull here. So we have maximum of 20 volts, which is really awesome. A lot of devices even need 20 volts for charging, otherwise they won't charge. So let's do the ramp up test here and see how much power we can pull. And it's going pretty high. I think I have seen the 63 watts. So we had a cutoff here at 3.2 amps. And so when we do the math, we know that we had a peak of more than 64 watts. Very, very powerful, even much more than they were saying. But of course I recommend to not go higher than what they are listing. But on the other hand, it's really nice to see that they have really nice protection. So when we are pulling more power, then they will stop. Of course, I can repeat that because anytime after reducing the power, it will reset and then the power will be available again. So it's nothing damaged or so. It's just protecting this device against overheating, overpower, overcurrent, these things. So everything looks really great, very powerful, beautiful, absolutely safe to use. So this is absolutely awesome for at home, especially if you have a large family, a lot of devices, maybe for your office or also for travel. Really nice, beautiful, very versatile, so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.